Amidst the TMC Congress impasse over the leader of opposition post, the National People's Party leader and Cabinet Minister Sangma said the absence of leader of opposition clearly shows the opposition in Meghalaya Legislative Assembly is weak. Meanwhile, the NPP spokesperson and former Congress legislator Dr. Ampreen Lingdo said the fractured mandate given by the people in recently conducted assembly election is affecting the political situation in the state. The deadlock is a result of the Congress and the Trinamool Congress, the two largest opposition parties, insisting on the position. Both parties, Congress and TMC, have written to Speaker Thomas A. Sangma to put forward their claims.
Obviously, it will be affected if they doesn't have even a position that it shows that they are really weak. It seems they are yet to decide on this part also.
The state of Meghalaya gave as a result of the general elections of the state are also now affecting the political situations in the state of Meghalaya. You have seen now that the opposition has 5 + 5 + 4. And when there is no one common front seen in that opposition,